your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Arians, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. We will start with your energy oracle cards. Friends, as you're aware, people who are born from 21st of March to 19th of April are Arians. We are considering sun signs, and this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because I try to give whatever messages that come to me from the divine source as of now. So this reading is for July 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have energy of deceit surrounding Arians in the coming month. So somebody is expected to cheat you, or you are expected to cheat someone. In case you are expecting to cheat someone, just be little careful, because this is not going to give you good rewards over the period. Majorly I can see somebody trying to eye you, or trying to create some problems for you, trying to deceive you, especially in the financial segments, as we can see other cards over here. So just be extra careful of deception. Don't trust people so easily, otherwise it will really lead you into a tough time. So let's see what other cards have to suggest. We have Ace of Cups in the upright position. Now this card is suggesting that your relationship is looking quite good. It is looking blooming. You might be connecting with a lot of people, maybe past relationship, or you will be building new relationships, and there will be a lot of connectivity, get together, friendliness, which is going to be achieved in the coming months. So it is either planned, or it might be from unexpected sources. For people who have been looking for revival in a relationship, yes, this is the right time for you to get revived, because a lot of positive energy is here, a lot of emotional high is there, and you are supported by the divine source to actually guide you on the way in terms of energy, in terms of taking your relationships to the next level. For people who are married, this could be a very good time for reviving, get together with their friends and family, and trying to really create some real social bonding with each other, as well as with the people who are around them. For people who are singles, this could be the time when you might be planning for a commitment, or you might be meeting somebody who really is your dream proposal for your life. So this could be a time when you are planning to get committed, or somebody is proposing you from the known sources, or it could be for some people who are singles, this could be the time when you are proposed for a marriage or a long-term commitment kind of a situation. So friends, as I said, pick and choose the advice that suits you most, as this is a general reading. Align be friendly with nature, be friendly with people. That's the advice for you. More friendlier you become, more you will be attracting the positivity and positive relationships, and more you will be building a better bond with yourself and otherwise with people. So overall relationships are looking really blooming and good at this time. So do focus your energy there to make them better and make them richer. Coming to your career, friends, we have Three of Cups in the reverse position. So somewhere maybe you were expecting some award, some reward or recognition in your career, or some positive shift in your career, either in terms of new job or in terms of some new opportunity or some deal closures or some networking, growth in networking in some way which is going to benefit you. But this opportunity looks delayed. So I won't say it is cancelled, I would say it is delayed, especially because we have a ripening message over here which shows that somewhere you have to use your maturity and ripeness in that particular field as a personality, as a professional, to wait for the right time to so that things ripen up at the right time and you maintain it. So just keep patience. This could be just a phase where things are not moving. Just wait for the right time, right opportunity. Things will move faster and you will see a better light of the day and a better opportunity coming to you, or this opportunity might be getting closure or getting reward or benefit over the period. So be patient and use your maturity to handle things. Coming to your finances, we can see Five of Swords in the upright position, which is very prominently showing that either you will be taking charge of your finances or there is somebody who is trying to outsmart you in your financial segment. Now you need to be really careful with this person because he is very smart, shrewd, and he is out for his own gain in case it is somebody trying to trick you. The deception energy which we have got here could be very much relevant to this card, where financially you need to be very careful while planning it and or diluting it or planning for new assets or something. So don't compare yourself with somebody else just because you want to win. Just slow down a bit. Try to compare oranges to oranges and not oranges to apple, otherwise it is going to really lead you into mess, as somebody would try to trick you there and try to be a opportunist and move out for his own gain. So just be really extra careful in terms of financial planning. So just be extra careful in terms of financial planning. Coming to your health, friends, we have Justice card in the upright position, a very good card which shows that you might be taking care of your health well. You will be awarded or rewarded for the good care that you have been taking care good care that you have been taking of your health. There is a professional help at corner. It also could show a part need of some treatment like acupressure or some surgical a small surgical treatment to just correct your health, to balance your health, but it is for your good. So just slow down a bit. The message for you here is slow down a bit. Don't be foolish and take your health for granted, because yes, of course, you are rewarded for the good health care that you have been taking, but still there is some care which is needed, some monitoring, some justice which is needed to be done for your health care. So just be little self-aware about it and try to take your health in your hands, and don't be casual or don't take any unnecessary risks. Slow down in your life and take care of your health. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have Inner Child, which is a very beautiful card which suggests that whatever the circumstances are, keep your inner child active, keep your inner child alive, keep that innocence alive within you, which will help you to turn any negative or positive situation into a good positive situation for you. So shield yourself wherever you feel. Angels are advising you to shield yourself wherever you feel stuck, wherever you feel scared, wherever you feel that things that you are going through is very harsh or very tough for you to handle. You need to shield yourself with the healing light that is aligned with the divine energy to protect you. Whichever God you believe on, try to align with that energy to protect you and heal you and safeguard you during the tough times which you might be facing in some areas. Honestly, I don't see major tough time here for Arians in July 2021, but you might have to be a little careful with regards to your career and finances for sure. So I really hope this reading helps you guys, friends. Take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruks by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruks by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruks by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to especially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.